I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Jeep Grand Cherokee steering wheel. First, locate the adjustment lever, usually found beneath the steering column. Pull this lever down firmly to unlock the steering wheel's position. Now, you can freely move the wheel up or down, and also in or out to find your ideal driving position. Once set, push the lever back up to securely lock the wheel in place before driving. The tilt adjustment allows you to move the steering wheel up or down, changing its angle. This is crucial for ensuring you have a clear view of your dashboard instruments and the road ahead. Finding the right tilt also helps maintain a comfortable arm position, reducing strain on your shoulders and arms during your drive. Experiment to find what feels best for you. Beyond tilting, many Jeep Grand Cherokees also offer telescopic adjustment, which moves the steering wheel closer to or farther from you. This feature is vital for achieving the correct arm extension. You want a slight bend in your elbows when your hands are on the wheel, ideally at the 9 and 3 o'clock positions. This helps prevent fatigue and improves control, especially on longer trips. For your safety, always make steering wheel adjustments when your Jeep Grand Cherokee is parked and stationary. After adjusting, always double-check that the lever is pushed up and the steering wheel is securely locked in place before you begin driving. A properly adjusted steering wheel not only enhances your comfort, but significantly improves your control and overall driving safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.